Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to announce that yesterday we did reach the 100 subscriber mark. So that means we have a successful giveaway. I wanted to announce with her permission that the lucky winner, her name is Donna. Donna lives in Ohio. So congratulations, Donna. How exciting! Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and being a loyal subscriber. This is just such exciting news. I really wanted to thank everybody that has become a subscriber. I just feel absolutely grateful that you are taking the time to subscribe to my channel, and I hope that you continue to stick on board. It means a lot. We are going to restart the giveaway. So now the giveaway will go to the next 200th subscriber. So when we hit that 200 mark, I did want to point out that Donna did successfully follow all of the rules to the giveaway. And for the next giveaway, I think I'm going to have a bit of a game in it. And there's going to be a magic keyword in it. And you're going to have to find that keyword, figure it out, and then list it to be the next winner. I will let you know the future details. And so if you want to play along, then you might want to subscribe. So I am looking forward to some more fun and games. And of course, I am looking forward to sharing more reviews and more adventurous looks. And if there's anything you would like to see, then please take the time to write that down in the comment section. Please make sure that you like the videos, because that is what helps the channel to stay afloat, besides the subscribers, is making sure that you like each video. So while the subscriber count is important too, the likes on each video are important if you like the video. I just wanted to say again, a big thank you to you all. If you aren't a subscriber and would like to become one, then please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know each and every time that I upload a video. And I hope I see you in my next video. Until then, please have a safe, healthy, and happy week, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye. Congratulations, Donna. You earned it. Bye-bye.